Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's been keeping well. Just want to say thank you for all the subs on the channel. We've reached, I think, over 300 subs so far. Still a bit of a long track to get to 1,000, but we'll get there shortly. So yeah, if you guys have if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. It will really help us grow as well and impact as much traders out there as we can. So as you can see by the title of today's video, we're going to be breaking down the trade that we caught during the week on the US30 or Dow Jones. It was about 8,000 pips of a drop, which we capitalized on. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So basically, as you guys can see, we've got, we can start off on the daily time frame just to understand our structure a little bit better. So if we look at the daily time frame, I can see that there's a clear change in character that happened at this area. So price broke character to the downside. That being the last higher high in the market, that was the higher low. Price took out the higher low and gave us a lower low. So that's a change in character that occurred here. At this point, let's just mark this up here. We can do this. So that was the change in character. Price broke to the downside, that's the low. And if you pull your fib, we can see that we are now trading within the 61.8 and 78.6. So that being a strong area of discount on the sell fib. So we're looking to basically take shorts. Why? Because we're in a strong sell area in the market. So looking at your 4 hour, looking at the 4 hour, we basically had following. So 4 hour gave us the low down here. We were trending to the downside. So we had these impulses and corrections to the downside. And you can see that we were following pretty solid bearish order flow. Price then tapped into 33,500 and gave us a bounce, right? At this bounce, we noticed that price started consolidating, but it then broke structure to the upside, right? So it changed character now to the upside. So we took out the last lower high in the market and changed character to the upside. So that was the first intention of price looking to go long, but we knew that the higher time frame was still bearish, right? That was the key into the trade, knowing that while everybody is still buying because they see this higher low at that point, they see that price has breached or broken this higher high. So everybody's expecting price to continue to the upside. They look at this as a support. So it's now a resistance turned support. So price came back and that 4 hour candle basically tested that resistance. So as a retail trader, everybody was still looking to go long off this level. But knowing what I know and how we trade, there was no long opportunity at that point. The market was going to sell, and I'll show you how now. So, like I said, we broke structure to the upside, but we were still within a sell zone in the market. So if we go to the 1 hour, show you guys what we saw. Okay, so the 1 hour, that was our last structural point, right? So at this point, you know that price needs to break the structure. If it breaks the structure, we're going to take shorts. We're looking at shorting the market because my higher time frame is telling me that we are in a higher time frame sell area. So what happens here is, if I just replay it a couple of candles. Okay, so there we have it, right? You can see that we've got a clear engulfing candlestick and price gives us a supply zone in the market. So if we go to the 30-minute, can say that we've got a supply zone that sits somewhere, pretty much somewhere there. Let's look at the 1 hour again. Okay, so we're looking at a supply zone at around this area, right? So that's the supply zone that we're looking at. And price will need to obviously come back into that area because we've taken out structure to the downside. So it's shown us now a change in character to the downside that happened at this point. So that was the change in character that occurred to the downside. Price will then come back, mitigate that, and then shoot down, right? So this was my sell entry. Stop loss just above the zone. So we're looking at that. Sell entry there as price touched. And you would target previous areas of support, previous structural areas in the market. So you can see that we had some sort of dynamic support and resistance down there, as well as liquidity build up along that trend line. So we were looking at shorting the market to possibly break this area here. And then according to the 4-hour, again, you'd be looking to short it to at least somewhere there. Okay, so that was how I pulled it. And if you look back at this area, price gave a morning star on the 15-minute. So everybody started buying. Why did they start buying? Everybody saw a resistance turn support at that area. Price held at that support area and threw everybody with a morning star. That was a big morning star. Everybody bought in anticipation of this high being taken out to the upside. But us smart money traders saw the move even before it happened. And if you go back to your 1-hour, and I play this for you guys, there was no buy that was going to happen. It was a sell all the way to the bank. Bang. TP hit 8,000 pip of a drop, caught on this move. And yeah, there was absolutely no way it was going to sell. It taps into our supply area and then sells off, right? And I called this trade live on my signals group. So if I look back on the 10th of February, just go back to the chart. So you can see this was the 10th of February, 10th of Feb, 5 o'clock, 10th of Feb, 5 o'clock. We've got, there's my entry, US30, 35779, SL, TP. Setup was shared, exact same setup. There we are, and here's the proof of the entry. Sniped right on the top. And there's a result, guys. So yeah, that was an 8,000 pip drop in a matter of a couple of hours, called on US30. I honestly don't see anybody calling it like that out there, and certainly not any retail traders. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing the course where I teach my full indices blueprint along with all the theories that I use to trade, these are the contents. You can go to www.ssforexacademy.com. I've got technical analysis, all you need to know under technical analysis, market structure, very important videos that you need to know, smart money concepts, and as well as the indices and fundamentals blueprint. So this is what we use on the indices, and yeah, some recorded sessions as well. Feel free to pop by on my Instagram. My handle is Shakil_ss.forex. I post a lot of analysis, a lot of trade ideas as well. I've also got a free Telegram group, which you can click the link in my bio, and you can have access to the free Telegram group. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you took something from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends, family, whoever you can help improve their trading as well. So yeah, take it easy, guys. I will catch you guys on the next video. If all the links will be dropped down below. So yeah, I'll see you then. Cheers.